So I'm on my KX500 two-stroke. My buddy Hack is on his KX450F. And we've been trying to think of something to do, but when you have a KX500 and a KX450F, it seems like it might be fun to just line them up and drag race them, see which one is faster. Don't go. Bro. What are you doing? We'll do it here.
Right here?
Yeah. All right. Lined up, got the shadow. All right, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my God! No way. I don't think you stand a chance.
Dude, you left me.
I don't think you stand a chance. I don't think.
So hard. That's terrifying to look at.
I don't think you stand a chance. Oh my. This thing pulls so hard.
I wasn't even funny how fast I was.
I honestly thought that he might have a chance of beating me because of the. Especially like out of the hole because of how much more linear that power is, but like, holy cow. What?
You see my line on Scroby? I went sideways.
I'm gonna give him a head start this time. Holy sh! I'll give you a head start. All right. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, my shifting was a little worse that time, but that was closer. Yeah, I think I screwed up the shifting a little bit that time because I couldn't hear my own bike because of how freaking loud his bike is.
Did I miss you?
No.
Okay, good.
I couldn't hear, I think I've like screwed up my shifting because I couldn't hear my own bike because of how loud yours is. Once you got the jump on me and your pipe was all I could hear.
Yeah.
I kept mis-shifting because I couldn't hear where my bike was.
That's hilarious.
Do you want to switch bikes and try?
Yeah, sure. Oh, man. No, dude.
If it's warm, it starts easy. I had such a...
aware, but still, it's terrifying as fucking shoes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. God. Oh, this is scary.
Yeah. Alright, I'm not gonna even do launch control.
I'm leaning like this.
Yeah, you probably should. 3, 2, 1, go!
Holy! It was coming up on me in every single every single gear, it was just popping a wheelie, and I was leaning all the way forward like this. I was catching to you so fast.
Yeah, I
if
got...
you let off, I would have beat you.
Yeah, I got the jump on you.
Let's do it again. Just one more time.
Alright.
Oh, my poor leg. It falls neutral.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I was gunning it, all the power, and then it's kind of, I was like, well, okay. I might have accidentally tapped the shifter or something.
Yeah.
Because that feels like you're riding like very sophisticated, fast car. This feels like you're just riding a wild animal. Legit, it feels like you're riding like a wild horse or something.
Yeah, it literally does.
Yeah, it feels alive, dude. That's like, yeah, that's a really good description.
Yeah.
I got it. The luxury of kickstands. Oh, safe.
So who technically won? Like, cause we both won twice, or both.
That easy.
Yeah, I'd say this.
Yeah,
This definitely won.
That has way more power. You got better tires too.
And riding both back to back, this one just feels faster.
Yeah. No, I totally get it. This feels like way smoother. Like it has, I think, as much torque as that does, but that has just more power.
Yeah, I would agree. The horsepower numbers are higher, whereas this is like more linear and more like torquey.
That's just objectively stating, and it puts it down on dirt too. So.
Yeah.